Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Rowe. Going to look at lesson 17. We're looking at two problems. These are the ones where you have to graph the equation given point slope forms. I think this is number 8 and 9, if I'm not mistaken. It's two of the problems. So again, what is point slope form? Point slope form is this equation right here. And what we want to do here is we want to use the slope m. That's how we're going to move from point to point. And then we're going to pull this point right here out of the equation as our starting point. So we're going to plot x1, y1 first, then we're going to use the slope to find other points. So let's take a look at a couple of quick examples, and this should be it. All right, so let's take a look at this. So I've got y minus 3 equals negative 4 times x plus 1. Now remember, the form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So because of this sign right here, that means that 1 is a negative 1, 3, that is our point that we're picking, and our slope right here is negative 4. Remember, we like to write our slopes as fractions, so that would be negative 4 over 1. So to plot this, we are going to plot our first point, negative 1, 3. So negative 1, 3 right there. And then we're going to use the slope to find some other points. So we're going to go down 4, right 1. 1. Let's see. Let's make this a little bit smaller so you can see my first step. All right, so we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going right 1. So that's my second point. Now we can also go the opposite direction, so we could actually go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go left 1. And we can do this as many times as possible on the page. And I suggest you do it as many times as it will fit. That way you can get a nice straight line. All right, so we're going to draw a line here. Hopefully we can draw it right through those points. And that's the graph that we're looking for. So this was my initial point. And then all those other points were points I used by using the slope. All right. Second example, this time we got a fraction. This time we have y plus 4 equals 1/5 times x minus 2. Again, remember it's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So the x coordinate of our point will be positive 2. The y coordinate, because of that plus sign, will be negative 4. So that's my initial point. So my initial point is 2, negative 4. Right there. And now I'm going to use the slope. The slope in this case is positive 1 over 5, 1/5. So from my initial point, I will rise 1, run 5. rise 1, run 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, do that. Do this as many times as you can across the board. So I can go the opposite direction, down 1, and then go left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can do it one more time, down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so I've got 4 good points on the graph. I should be able to draw a nice straight line through all 4 of those points. And there is my nice straight line. That's right. That is a straight line, ladies and gentlemen. And so that's how you graph on the coordinate plane using point slope form. So if you're still struggling with this, please let me know in a teacher message or go on your course page and sign up for one of the appointments using your Google Calendar.